Hi there, and welcome to my video about the Valhalla honeypot program and using the Mmap to detect and report services. We're just going to pretty much simulate an attack and see if we can figure it out with Valhalla. So we have Valhalla downloaded here. So we're going to go ahead and double click it. Drag this out onto the desktop. And we got the honeypot. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and open Network and Sharing Center. And we're going to select Windows Firewall. And for purposes here, we're going to go ahead and turn it off. So turning it off for both, and we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And we're going to go ahead and close out of there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go on here and open up the Nmap GUI. And okay, I think we may have to run it through the commands, so give me 1 second. We got a command prompt brought up, so we're going to type in nmap-ss, and we need to go ahead and get the IP for this real quick here. Okay, we got 192.168.0. Oops. So we're going to see what it does. I'm going to go ahead and hit yes. Okay, it says that it failed to open device Ethernet 0. So let's try that command one more time. And there we go. So went ahead and scanned that. And it says there's a few, if any, services available, and you can see them right there. So now we're going to go into our virtual machine and we're going to start up Honeypot. Go ahead and run it. Alright, we have the Honeypot system started. Okay, and we're going to go to the server config, and then under options of a telnet server, okay, we're going to enable the telnet service, and we're going to make it so no login is required so that we can go ahead and try to access it with our main computer. Okay, we're going to go ahead and close that out. Okay, and we're going to click options under the FTP server here. And we're going to go ahead and enable that. Close out of that as well. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click that, and to enable the honeypot, we click monitoring. Okay, and this time we're going to go ahead and do the same command. Okay, and as you can see here, we got a TCP, the FTP one I just opened, and the telnet one I just opened at the top here. Alright, and we're going to see if we can see additional data can be returned. We're going to go ahead and run a different Nmap scan. We're going to do Nmap dash SV, and then the IP address, which is 192.168. Okay, my dots do not like owning. 168.0.182. Alright, and you can see here that the honeypot is detecting the invasions that I am trying to do, because I'm trying to do the different Nmap scan, which obviously is trying to just tunnel in there and trying to invade just by either FTP or Telnet. It started with Telnet, then it went try to attack by FTP, then it's attacked by NetBus, and then all the rest it's still trying to attack by FTP. And we should just wait a little longer for this to come through. So just bear with me here. I'm going to go ahead and pause it. Alright, we are back, and we can go ahead and see the results here. And as you can see, the first time we did it, it gave us the state of the service and what port it's going through and what type it is. But with the other one, it gives you a service, or a version of the service. So tried to go through the TCP port 23 backdoor. It's the Optics Pro backdoor, or the Microsoft Windows RPC. And you can see all here, it lists the versions of all the different things we just tried to access. And that does conclude the video on using a Valhalla honeypot to go ahead and simulate attacks to see what they look like and to see maybe what ways the person would try to access them. So I do thank you for watching my video on the Valhalla honeypot, as well as the Nmap program, which will allow you to simulate attacks. I do hope you found it informative, and I hope you have a great day.